The analytics apocalypse is coming. Are you prepared? Hey, welcome to another episode of the Business Growth Accelerator. Brandon here, your Chief Business Strategist, bringing you the most up-to-date information on all things digital. And today we are going to talk about Google Analytics for migration, everything that you need to know. As you know, Google Analytics is one of the most popular analytics platforms in the world, used by businesses of all sizes to track website traffic and measure marketing performance. However, Google has announced that it will be sunsetting Universal Analytics, the current version of Google Analytics, on July 1st, 2023. This means that after this date, Universal Analytics will no longer collect new data, and its reports will stop updating after July 1st, 2024. In order to continue using Google Analytics after July 1st, businesses will need to migrate to Google Analytics 4, also known as GA4. GA4 is the next generation of Google Analytics, and it offers a number of new features and benefits over Universal Analytics. So you're probably asking yourself now, what is GA4? GA4 is a more privacy-focused analytics platform that can collect data from both websites and applications. It uses a different data model than Universal Analytics, and it offers a number of new features such as cross-platform tracking. GA4 can track users across different devices and platforms, so you can get a more complete and comprehensive view of their behavior. Machine learning, so with the power of AI, GA4 uses machine learning to power its reporting features, so you can get more insights from your data. And real-time reporting. GA4 offers real-time reporting, so you can see how your website or app is performing in real time. So why is this migration so important? Well, if you want to continue using Google Analytics after July 1st, 2023, you will need to migrate to GA4. And there are a number of reasons why this is important. GA4 is the future of Google Analytics. Google has made it clear that it is committed to GA4 and will continue to invest in developing the platform. GA4 offers a number of new features and benefits that are not available in Universal Analytics. And if you don't migrate to GA4, you will lose all of your historical data after July 1st, 2024. So with that being said, you're probably asking yourself again now, wow, this is a lot of information here, and I know nothing about analytics. I just know I got a website and I hope I get traffic. Well, analytics is the key to growing your digital footprint and knowing who your audience is so you can construct offers and get more customers because you know who you are selling to. So you're going to want to migrate to GA4 and do it sooner than later. Now, there are certain time periods to where if you had a newer website or just realized that you needed analytics and you started adding analytics to your website, I think it was October 2020, you had the chance to start with Universal and GA4 together at the same time. So when you created a Universal account, GA4 was tagged along with it. Now it's GA4 first, and I mean, you still can have a Universal, but again, it's all going away. So if you need to migrate to GA4, it's a relatively simple process. You can use Google Analytics 4 migration tool to help you transfer your data from Universal to GA4. And the migration tool will also help you set up your GA4 property and configure all of your reports. So once you've migrated to GA4, you'll need to start using the platform to collect data. You can use the same tracking code you use for Universal, but you need to make some minor changes to the code. And if, again, you're not a coder, definitely get with your web developer or reach out to me. Happy to help you get that set up. If you have a WordPress website, there is a plugin called Google Sitekit. And so once you set up your GA4 analytics in your analytics account, your Sitekit will automatically update and you won't have to worry about putting the code or anything like that on your site. It will automatically do it for you. So here are a couple tips for using GA4. Once you've started using GA4, there are a few things you can do to get the most out of the platform. You can explore the new features and benefits that they have to offer. Use the machine learning features to get insights from your data, like people, where they're coming from, how old they are they male, female, what their likes are, dislikes are, etc. You can get all of that data. Create custom reports to track the metrics that are most important to you. So, if you have some type of opt-in on your website, which you should, how many people are opting in? If you have click to call on your website, which you should, how many people are clicking the button and actually calling you from the website. All of those key metrics are vital to running your business online to make sure that your website is an asset and not a liability. The last thing, you can share your reports with your team so everybody can stay informed about your website or app performance. So GA4 migration is an important process that businesses need to complete in order to continue using Google Analytics after July 1st. The migration process is relatively simple. There's a lot of benefits that you can get out of it, such as access to the new features and benefits, and the ability to collect data from both websites and the apps. If you're not already using GA4, I highly encourage you to start using it today. The sooner you start, the sooner you'll be able to take advantage of all the platform has to offer. So again, here's what's going to be happening. GA4 will stop processing data July 1st, 2023. The impact of the changes on users of Universal Analytics will be they will no longer be able to collect the new data in Universal Analytics after July 1st, 2023, and the reports will stop updating after July 1st, 2024. The best way to migrate your Google Analytics is, again, to use the tool that's provided to you once you log into your analytics account. It will help you transfer all your data to GA4 seamlessly. And again, GA4 is a more privacy-focused platform that can collect data from both websites and apps, and it offers more advanced analytic features than Universal Analytics. I hope this episode has been helpful to you in knowing and understanding what is going on in the analytics world. If you have any questions about your analytics or need help just getting it set up, feel free to reach out to BKXX Enterprises, and we will get you set up and helping you figure out who your ideal customer is, what they want, and what it's going to take to get them to do business with you. Again, appreciate you listening to the show. If you found it valuable, leave a like and definitely reach out and let me know what you thought of the show. If this has been helpful for you, if you like content like this, your feedback helps me make better shows. So once again, this has been Brandon, your Chief Business Strategist with the Business Growth Accelerator. Here is to your success.